Hey guys, I'm doing the giveaway now for my trade list or whatever. Okay, I wrote down like everyone's name and I'm doing like a raffle thing. If you can hear that. Oh wow, people in this call. Okay. What did I get? 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 I got... Oh my god, I can't read my own handwriting. Oh yeah, it's... Oh my god. Why am I thinking of that? Princess, yeah, one! You won! Yes! Oh my god, a phone. You can see who it is. I don't know who that is. Oh my god, shut up, Mythical. Bundy. Report and block Bundy. Get her banned. Let's see. I don't know. I'm gonna close my eyes. Okay, it's gonna be this. And something else. Let's see here. Hurry up and load. I wanna make this video so I have to do homework. And you're also a guy. Just for being my friend. You get this extra thing, but I can't find it, so bummer me. I don't have it anymore. What the heck? Those two items. And those three items were items. Who the heck? Incoming call. I don't care. Not like I care, Dick. No. What should you get? What should you get? I'm just gonna give you this hack. I like that. I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay, so what's your thing? I'm just gonna give you a tuxedo. I didn't even scare you. Oh my gosh. Okay, thanks for taking that off my hands. No face. Shut your faces. The gift. Thank you for the necklace. Thank you for something that I can. Time to put some stuff on my head to make me look rare. That sounds so shallow. Mean pigs. That's my brother. He's mean. No, I didn't. I actually said meaty pants. I should do more banana talk show videos. Ow, my ear hurts. Why does my ear hurt so badly? It's because my brother was being mean to me all these years for nothing. Just because I was a baby and I pulled his hair. That's his excuse. I'm gonna take away that and put my trade list is awesome. These two people, magical, I would never let you win. Magical, you are me. What are you talking about? This person is a plain liar, Bundy. Jeez. Disgusting. That is disgusting. Bloop. Poopy pants, I cut you on camera. Why did AJ put that there? Maybe it's for girls and their diamonds. I don't even have that address. True. Shut your face, mathematical liar pants. I'm speaking quiet because my door is open now. I'm gonna shut my door. I can't see their chat. I'm gonna get a cheetah today. How the heck? How the heck? I just said hey to yeah. The magical above bottom. I'm gonna what's so bad about the word poop or no, she's not. She's amazing. Caught them on camera being a jerk and lying. Well, bye guys. I have to go, so sadly. Well, send me video or send me gifts for my Mailton videos. I mean, what I got a few rares and stuff like that. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.